Not sure if an electrical issue needs a pro? Here's a 1-minute triage that can help you solve basic problems and know when to call in the Peaden pros. One common issue that's an easy DIY fix is resetting a GFCI. GFCIs protect circuits from overload and ground faults when circuits come in contact with water. They are commonly found in bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and in exterior outlets. Some circuits have multiple outlets connected to a single GFCI. Check all of the outlets for any concerns before resetting. If the GFCI won't reset, that indicates a problem. It may be time to call in a professional. Tripped breakers are another common problem that a homeowner can typically troubleshoot. If a circuit trips, there's a good chance that it's been overloaded. Reduce the electrical load on busy outlets. Unplug space heaters, hair dryers, or other small appliances that may have caused the issue. Find the trip breaker in your panel. Flip the breaker fully to the off position and then back on. Then check the circuit. You may be considering replacing or upgrading an outlet, adding a fan, or upgrading switches to smart switches. It is possible to do these safely as a homeowner, but be sure to follow all manufacturer instructions, and if at any point you feel uncomfortable or unclear of how to do the work safely, stop and call in a professional. If you encounter a burning smell, smoke, sparks, buzzing, scorch marks, a hot breaker or cover, repeated trips, or wet or corroded outdoor outlets, do not attempt to correct these issues. Call a professional licensed electrician to take a look. If you need an electrical safety check, want help with an upgrade, or have concerns about your electrical system, schedule service with a Peaden Pro today.
Peaden, the pros you can trust.